When it comes to diesel engines, there are a few components that truly define how well the system performs. You can have a high-output engine block, robust pistons, or even a high-flow turbo, but without precise fuel delivery, none of it matters. The fuel injection pump is that critical piece, and for Cummins engines, the fuel injection pump 3,931,335 has emerged as a reliable solution for a wide range of applications, including the 6BT5.9, C325, ISC13, and K50. This pump plays a role that's often underappreciated but absolutely essential. Its job is simple in theory: deliver the right amount of diesel fuel at the right time and pressure to ensure efficient combustion. But in practice, it's far from simple. Diesel engines operate under extreme pressure, temperature, and load conditions. A slight variation in fuel timing or volume can affect power output, efficiency, and even long-term engine health. That's where the 3,931,335 excels. It provides precise, consistent fuel delivery, which is critical for maintaining engine performance and reliability. One of the standout advantages of this pump is its versatility. It supports multiple Cummins engines, which makes it particularly useful for operators managing different machines or fleets. Having a single part that works across several engine models simplifies logistics, reduces downtime, and minimizes the need for multiple inventory items. For anyone relying on heavy-duty machinery, downtime is costly, and a dependable fuel injection pump ensures that engines can be up and running quickly without sacrificing performance. Durability is another major factor. Engines like the Cummins 6BT5.9 or the K50 are often used in demanding environments, from construction sites and mining operations to agricultural fields and long-haul trucking. They're exposed to dust, vibrations, heat, and long operational hours. The 3,931,335 is designed to withstand these harsh conditions, providing reliable fuel delivery without compromising on performance. It's built to last, which is essential because replacing a failed fuel pump under field conditions can be time-consuming and expensive. The science behind fuel injection is fascinating. Essentially, the pump controls the heartbeat of the engine. It regulates fuel flow with high precision, ensuring that each cylinder receives the exact amount of diesel at the optimal moment. This precision translates into efficient combustion, maximizing power output while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. If the pump underperforms or fails, you'll notice issues like rough idling, decreased acceleration, excessive smoke, or even complete engine shutdown. A reliable pump like the 3,931,335 ensures these problems don't occur. Another aspect to consider is the balance between OEM parts and compatible replacements. While original manufacturer pumps are often expensive and sometimes difficult to source, the 3,931,335 offers a compatible solution that meets high standards without the premium cost for fleet operators, mechanics, or equipment owners. This is a significant advantage. It combines affordability with the reliability needed for daily operations. Testing and quality control are critical for fuel injection pumps. Units like the 3,931,335 undergo rigorous checks to ensure consistent pressure output, proper fuel flow, and durability under repeated use. These tests replicate real-world conditions, so you can be confident that the pump will perform reliably in everyday operations. Consistency in fuel delivery is not just about engine performance, it also helps prevent long-term wear and tear on critical engine components. Looking at the engines it supports highlights its value. The Cummins 6BT5.9, known for its versatility and durability, relies on precise fuel delivery to maintain its legendary performance. The C325 benefits from the same level of precision, ensuring smooth operation under heavy loads. For larger engines like the ISC13 and K50, the demand on fuel delivery increases significantly. These engines require higher fuel pressures and volumes, and the 3,931,335 pump is engineered to meet those demands consistently. Its ability to operate across such diverse engine types underscores its reliability and adaptability. Preventive maintenance is equally important. Even the most durable fuel injection pump benefits from clean fuel, proper filtration, and periodic inspection.